Today we're showing you a 2017 Massey Ferguson 5711 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has just over 120 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor. Tractor is like new inside and out. Does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Has the full climate control cab. Has the Massey Ferguson 946X self-leveling quick attach front loader. It's got the global style hookup here for your bucket connection. Got a nice heavy duty bucket. A couple small surface scratches here in the side of the loader. It's about the only real cosmetic flaws on the tractor. It's practically brand new. It's got the work lights in front of the cab as well as the extendable mirrors. Also has the belt line lights and the warning lights right up here on the side of the loader. It's got the Trelleborg Radial tires, which are in like new condition. Front fenders, mid hose connections, 2 entry doors in the cab. It's got 3 sets of rear wheel weights. You got the starter and then 2 more. And it also looks as if those tires are loaded. I want to double check the listing on that. It does have the buttons back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms, rear work lights, rear wiper, triple rear hydraulic connections back here, 540 PTO. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms, fender extensions, toolbox on the side here, and again mirrors on both sides of the cab. Inside the cab, the tractor looks just like the exterior, looks like new. It's got the full air ride seat there for the operator, has a buddy seat here to the side, has a tilt steering wheel. It's got the left-hand power reverser, which allows you to change direction without clutching. You can also shift that reverser, set how fast that reverser shifts with a little module right there. So have your loader control here to the right. Got 6 gears on your main transmission lever, high-low back here, gives you a total of 12 speeds. Also have your 3-point hydraulic PTO controls, 4-wheel drive, differential, all on the control console. Up top you've got climate controls and radio, rear view mirror and sun visor up front. And again, it does come with the balance of the factory warranty. We did use this tractor a little bit at our local fair here, so it's got just over 120 hours on it now, so double check the listing for the exact hours. I believe it's like 123, 125, right in that range. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.